Good morning, class 8. So as I have sent you the tenses, the video on tenses. So now I just want that we should also complete our syllabus also. So yesterday we have completed with the first set of questions of environmental degradation. And now today we are going to do the second set, the B part, that is on page number 123. Open page 123, environmental degradation. Yes. So page number 123, B part, try these questions too. So which human activities do you think cause glacial melting? So which do you think? What are the reasons of the glacial melting? Write down the first question. What are the reasons for glacial melting? B part, answer number 1. So the reasons which cause glacial melting are as follows. Like a lot of people know will we'll start like this. A lot of people believe that the main reason is the abrupt and rapid industrialization. Right? So the most of the people believe that melting of glaciers is due to the abrupt and rapid industrialization. Means बहुत ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन जो है हमारी एडवांस्ड होती जा रही है एकदम, it is increasing. So this is also one of the main reasons for causing that glacial melting, which has caused which has increased global temperatures. Right? And other reasons for are, first one is burning of fossil fuel. राइट। हम लोग फॉसिल फ्यूल्स बहुत बर्न करते हैं, उसकी वजह से हमारा एनवायरनमेंट जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पल्यूट हो रहा है एंड हीट भी हो रहा है। सेकेंड इज ऑयल एंड गैस ड्रिलिंग। राइट। थर्ड वन, deforestation. And the fourth one is ice breaking ships. Now, burning of fossil fuels I have already explained. Then the second is oil and gas drilling. Means when we extract these oil and gas from the earth, so the gas called methane, that is emitted, and that gas is more harmful than the carbon dioxide, and it is causing the pollution. Third is deforestation, cutting of trees. Fourth is ice breaking ships. So sometimes what happens that ships they just break into the ice. आइस में जब टकराती हैं तो पूरी आइस जो है, ग्लेशियर जो है, टूट जाता है एंड इट फॉल्स इनटू द वाटर एंड गेट मेल्ट्स. Second question is, which place is known as the cold desert? Yes, it is in the lesson only. Which place? Ladakh. Ladakh is in India. Is a cold desert. That lies in the Great Himalayas. On the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. Right? It is also known as Khapa Chan. Khapa Chan. It is also known as Khapa Chan. That means which means snowland. Clear to all? So Ladakh in India is the cold desert that lies in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. It is also known as Khapa Chan, which means snowland. Answer number 3. What is the main aim of building artificial glaciers? So what is the main aim? Why this Shawang Naufal has built the artificial glaciers? I hope you know the answer. It is just to save, to increase the water supplies in the village. So write down the main technique used to create artificial glaciers is to control the velocity of water. as much as possible. The region is hilly area, and that is why the gradient of streams is very steep. As a result, in the mainstream, the water usually does not freeze. So, the main technique used to create artificial glaciers is to control the velocity of water as much as possible. So, the region is hilly area, and that is why the gradient of streams is very steep. As a result, in the main streams, the water usually does not freeze. जो मेन स्ट्रीम्स हैं उसमें जो है पानी फ्रीज नहीं हो पाता था, इसीलिए उनको आर्टिफिशियल ग्लेशियर्स बनाने पड़े जिसमें कि पानी जो है, जो उनकी ग्रेडियंट ऑफ स्ट्रीम्स है वो बहुत स्टीप है, उस वजह से वहाँ पे जाता है पानी और फ्रीज हो जाता है एंड आर्टिफिशियल ग्लेशियर बन जाता है. एंड व्हेन लेटर ऑन दे नीड द वाटर, so with the help of sunlight, when the sunlight falls on that water and it gets melted, and it can be used for the irrigation of crops. So which honor did not, what do you think is Mount Kilimanjaro? Mount Kilimanjaro is the tallest mountain on the African continent. It is the tallest mountain in the African continent and the highest freestanding mountain in the world. Kilimanjaro has 3 volcanic cones. I don't think it's more than enough for you, no need to write more. So which honor did Northfield receive in 1999? Northfield received an Asian Innovation Award in 1999. Yes. by the Far Eastern Economic Review. I hope it is clear to you. So he received this award in 1999 by Far Eastern Economic Review, last line in your chapter. So with this we have completed the second part, second set of questions also. I hope they are all clear to you, and rest of the exercise we will discuss tomorrow. So for today this is quite sufficient. So because you have to do the tenses work also and complete your this question answers of this lesson.